Hey, dude! This trick, every American already uses it, and it works faster than you can even find your pills.
Slice up a bit of fresh ginger, about an inch. Squeeze in half a lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. And pour in warm water, not hot. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then drink it slow. Boom, cough's gone, throat feels soft, and your energy's back.
Save this for winter. You'll thank me later.